everybody just sitting here waiting for our engine to finish warming up. We welcome you on this flight to Mattoon, Illinois. Coles County Regional is the airport we're headed to today, expecting a flight time of about, looks like about 54 minutes, so should be pretty quick little flight. All right, got some avionics to prepare here.
23 Echo Foxtrot, left base 36, executive.
All right, so we've got this guy coming down. He is now going to ready to make a left turn to join final or the last leg for the runway before you land. So. What in God's green earth is going on here? Is that the CFI? A kid must be going out for a solo. That's kind of cool. Ah, yeah, he's out for solo.
Newcastle traffic, Sierra 969 Papa Golf, for about 9.5 miles out westbound Newcastle.
Looking good, maintaining good control, left and right correction, the roll. This first landing. Oh my God. I'm really excited for this guy. That's cool. See how he did. Hold it off, 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 hold it off. Boom! Ooh, bounce. Ooh, 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 ooh. Are you...
Negative traffic, Jack 23 Echo Foxtrot, on the go. Executive.
Indy Exec, Cessna 66 with the Yankees behind 23 Echo Foxtrot, taking 364 departure to the west, looking for the traffic inbound from the northwest. Indy Exec.
Negative traffic, Diamond 462 Lima is 5 nautical miles to the northwest, throw left downwind to runway 36.
Okay, so we're going to take 36. Still got 5 miles to go. All right. All right, do a last checklist. Flaps up, fuel to both. Engines, instruments in the green. Nobody on final, nobody on the runway. Blind up here.
Negative traffic, Jack 23 Echo Foxtrot, left crosswind 36.
2, 3, and 4. Enough right rudder to hold the center line. Airspeed's alive. 50 knots, rotates. And we're off.
Negative traffic, Jack 23 Echo Foxtrot, left downwind 36, executive. Negative traffic, Diamond 462 Lima is doing left downwind number 2. For 36, that's executive.
Left downwind, all right. I do not have a visual on the left downwind. Okay, so he is, I'm going to sidestep him. He's 200 above. There he is. All right. So I got him in sight. Good. I'm going to wait for my wing to pass him, and then I'm going to take my left turn, turn out to the west. All right, climbing out 80 knots. Turn coordinator, I need to release a little bit of that rudder. Alright, so he has passed me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Closer to the airport, then descend some more.
Danville traffic, Cessna 654, Papa Alpha on a 5-mile final for runway 21. Danville.
You're Richard. There we go. There's half my problem too. Pass through 3,000. I should have Richard the mixture.
7 miles to the southeast and Mount 31. Danville traffic, Aero 2089 Tango is 5 miles north of Danville on the 21. We're going to do a
Gee, Bentley, man. You need to shut up. Wow, Windsor, it is bumpy.
4 Papa Alpha. We're on a 4-mile final doing the RNAV 21, Danville.
Okay.
We'll look for you.
That 4-mile final, that's where I am.
Traffic, 6 miles.
Coles County traffic, Cessna 66 with Yankees on a 4-mile final, 24 Coles County.
Danville, Cessna 15 Alpha Zulu's on a 10-mile. We'll be entering 45 for runway 21. Danville traffic. Danville traffic, Aero 209 Tango.
Alright, we're starting to get closer here.
Yes, please.
Keep an eye out for any other traffic that might be a problem. Got somebody 12 miles away.
Traffic, Turkey 7914 Whiskey is clear to exit runway.
Okay. He seems like a nice guy. Oh my gosh. This interference is absolutely driving me nuts because if I need
Simple traffic says
Set. Coles County traffic, Cessna 66 Yankees clear of 24 and Charlie 2, Coles County. This guy is
runway 24.
Alright, strobes off. Let's see, trim at takeoff, flaps up, fuel with everything looks good, alright. Coles County traffic, Cessna 66 Yankee, taxiing from Charlie 2 to Yankee Hill, Coles County. Oops, should have said what or how I was going to get there. Should have said that. Alright. Don't see anybody coming down Charlie. We're just going to kind of join Charlie here.